Hi viewers, hope you will be a good condition of health. First, I would like to tell you stay home, stay safe because life is precious gift of God. In today video, we are showing how to manage store management systems in this video. So let's get started. First, if you need a source code, contact me on my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number plus 9231430767881. And let's get started. Okay, so the application is run successfully. So now if you start your projects, once you start this project's first code, then go to the file and add your business. The business name is John Store and email is john@gmail.com, and the contact number is like something, and then the address is and then add your logo. Now I'm adding this logo. Next, and then enter the name. The name is John, last name is John Smith, password is 12345. You confirm your password, and then pin is 1234. This pin is used for recover your password, and now if you want to enter something in description, enter, otherwise this is optional. And save that is save. So here you see your business name is John Store, email is this, contact number is this, address is this, your name is John Smith, and this is the password 12345. And now click on the OK. So yes, so the business is registered successfully. So now then go to the sign in and enter John space Smith, and then password is 12345, and then sign in. So now your application is login successfully. If you want to recover your password, so then click and then forget password, select the store, and then enter the name John Smith and enter your pin code and then send. So once you send invalid, this is the invalid user, you see this. So you need Smith, so you need a correct pin code and username and then send. So once you click on the send, you get the recover password, so you get the password on your mobile phones. So now sign in and then password and then sign in. So the application successfully login. After that, you need to add some product in your stock. So category, I'm going here, add the category is a cosmetic, and then add the description is optional, cold drink, and then other. Okay, now I'm going to add the products. Now here come, from here you want to add the new category, so right here the soap and then add. So once you click on this add here the category, then check it, the category is loaded successfully. So cool drink, Pepsi, the quantity is here 0, or maybe this price is also 0. And if you have barcode machines, so then take the barcode from your products, and once you click here and scan the barcode by using the barcode machine. This option is used for ready for sale or not ready for sale, means if any issue in your products, so then its mark as a not ready for sale. Means first check the product is ready for sale. If ready, then mark as a ready for sale. So add here the products. The next one is a 7 up, and then the quantity is 0, then 0, and then this form is for registration your product. If you have already some product in your store, then enter the quantity and unit price. If you have no quantity of your store are new, then enter everything is 0, means the quantity and the unit price. If you are purchasing the product, then that time and purchasing, you mention their unit price and their selling price and purchasing price and quantity and so on, and also register your barcode and purchase. So cosmetic and soap, so lux and quantity 0, this is also a 0, and this is ready for sale. And now that and now add. So if you need to update your product, right click here, select this and edit. Okay, so from here you can update your product. So now will update, so your product will be updated successfully. Once I click on this and click, and then mark as a not ready for sale and update, so this is not ready for sale. So now it's edit and it's click as a ready for sale. Okay. So this is the stock, this is the print all stock report. Once you click, your stock will be print in the report. So now click on the print button, you can take here a printout of your stock. Now I'm going to close this, and this is the low stock report. If your product is low, you can get here the report. The stock threshold is, you can specify here. This is the default setting. The product quantity is 12. So it give report of this give report of this product. Means once your quantity is your product's quantity is less than from 12, it's marked it is the low stock reports. So then you can get the products in here. Now I'm going to purchase some product, but before the purchasing you need a supplier. So I'm adding some suppliers, and the supplier is Pepsi. Pepsi is the cool drink suppliers. So and contact number is like this, and address is enter supplier address here, and description is the optional, and here is the previous balance, means the current balance. If your store is new, enter the 0. Otherwise, if your store is old and you are using this software, so then you need to enter the previous balance of previous payment of a supplier here. Means if you are 15,000 and whatever, but here I'm enter 0. Now click on the add button, so the supplier is registered successfully. Okay, so now I'm going to get a new supply. So now here you can search your supplier, but I'm clicking here, but if I'm click here a P and search, so this is the supplier. But if I here enter here this is supplier, so you know not found. Okay, so you can here is search your supplier also, but I'm clicking on the view and select this and click on the double click. Okay, select on click on the selected supplier, double click, and then this is the supplier information. Enter the supply information, and here this is the new supply date. Here we are adding product to the new supply detail card. So now I'm purchased the cool drinks from Pepsi. So the Pepsi cool drink, and if you have barcode machines, so then directly scan it. Okay, but if you don't have a barcode machine, don't worry, just enter the quantity. I'm entering here 100, and the purchasing unit price is 22, and update the sale unit price is 35. And now if you check the products, means it's ready for sale, then it's marked as a ready for sale. Otherwise it's not ready for sale. So now click on the ready for sale and add. So here you can see the ready for sale. This is the 2200 item cost, and that is the sale unit price. This is the purchase unit price, and that is the quantity. I am going to purchase the 7 of also from the Pepsi. So now 100, or 80, and the price is 23, and it's 35, and then add. Okay, so the product is added successfully. Now click on the finalize button. So once your product adds successfully, then click on the finalize button. So the supply has been finalized, and then click on the OK. Okay, so if you are going to make a payment of this supply to suppliers, so now right click here, go to view and select your suppliers, and here you see the supplier supply dates, supplier supplies, and the 7 is ID, that is the date of supply. Total amount is 4440, and here you see the supply detail. So you see here, this is the supply detail. If you are get the invoice of this supply, you can get here your invoice from here. Select the supply here and click on the print invoice, and then the next is product name, quantity. This is the detail of the supply, and once you make a payment to supplier, then enter here the payments. I'm going to pay the 2000 payment to suppliers. So click the your payment here, is the payment date, and this is the balance amount, means remaining payment, and description is here, means I pay this amount by hand. So now enter here the by hand, and now click on the paid amounts. Once you click on the paid amount, the amount is paid. So now here you can get the record. If you are getting the receipt of this payments, so now click on the print receipt. You get here the also remaining balance, and that is the payment. Total balance is this, and payment is this, and this is the total balance, this is the remaining balance. And here is, this is the detail of store, and supply payment receipt, John store. So now this is the payment receipt. Okay, if you are return this payment, now click on this return amount, and now return the payment. So now the payment will be returned. Okay, so if you are make a 1500, so then paid the 1500. On next day you are to paid 2000, so now 2000, and change the date. I am on 12, and click the paid. So you here the this is the detail of your payment. So now click on the print receipt. You get here, this is the 540 is the remaining balance. So this is the the supply payment. So now if you want to return some product and the current supply, so now click on the supply, then go to here, show all the supplier, select the supplier and search. So and select the date and search. So the select your supply date and search. So you get the supplies. So once you get the supplies, go to the selected products, which ones you want to return. If you want to return the whole supply, payment return, and also this is the enter the receipt ID. I am enter the 7 ID, and now returns. Or once you enter the supplier ID, click here, you get here the report of the this supply. So check the supply, means you return the correct supply. So once you done, means this is the correct, then enter the supply ID, which is show here, and then click on the return. So the total supply, means the total purchase invoice will be returned at once. But if you want to return some product from this supply, then click the record, then double click on the record, select it, double click on the select record, and then enter the, I want to return 10 items, uh, 10 Pepsi bottles. So now enter the return quantity and click on the return. So in return, the 10 is, the 90 is returned, the 10 is returned, the 90 is remaining. And once the this amount is 3 at 20 supply payment. So here you see here the 3 at 20, 3 at 20, and the remaining balance is 320. So this is the supply. So one here you see all the supplies of all suppliers. Here you see you check the supply, means purchasing from which date to how many purchase between these two date. So you check from here also. Now this is the supplier balances. This is supplier balances, 3 at, and the remaining, the total remaining balance and on all supplier is 320. So this is the supply. Now go to the sale. For sale you need to add a customer. So now go to the customer, first add the counter customer. then add the address as no address. This is the counter customer, mean normal user want to purchase something, means the user just one time visit the store and get some product, so you can use this customer. This is the counter customer. Area is means no area, means this user have no area, and here is bus enter some dummy number and then add. So this is the counter customers. If you have permanent customer, then enter the proper data of your your permanent customer. So here I am enter the Hamza. Company is if the customer have store, company, or so on, so you add the name, but otherwise no, no company, or select the home. And address is Peshawar Sadar. Enter the proper address here and enter also the NIC of proper of your customer, and in the area is Peshawar, and contact number is enter also the proper contact number of your customer and enter the email. And once add the your customer, so the customer is added successfully. So now if you want to get your customer list print, so now click on the print customer list and also print from here. Okay, so this is your customer here, just your customer informations. So now here you make the payment from your customers. Sorry, yeah, we want to sell on our customer. So now click on the new sale, select the customer. If you sell on counter customer, select the counter customer. Otherwise, if you want to sell the on Hamza, means on your permanent customer, then select your permanent customer. But here I am selecting the counter customer. So now select the counter customer and click on the next button. So once you click on the next button, you see this form. Here is the sale information. This is the selected product current quantity, means if you are select the 7-up, here you see this is the 80, and once it means the current quantity in the stock of this selected products. And this is the detail of your customer, and this is the sale information. This is the selected product current quantity, and this is the sale detail where you add the product to the sale card, means on product on sale. So now I'm going to sell Pepsi to on customer, and now click, if you have barcode machine, then click here the barcode, automatically a product will be added here. So now I'm adding I'm sell on the counter customer 2 Pepsi bottles, so and 2 7-up or 3 7-up, and now add. So once you add some product here, but customer want to return here, customer says we are getting more too, so then select the record and click here and update is to 5, and then update it, so the record will be updated. But if the customer want to return I don't want Pepsi bottles, so then it's simply delete from here. Okay, okay, so once you finalize the products card, means sale card, then here you can select is payment received, means if your customer is counter customer, so then the payment is on time. Otherwise, if you are a permanent customer, so then the payment is not on time, means not on by hand. He will pay you a weekly, monthly, and so on. So now here I am going to so once the sale card and everything is finalized, here your sale is finalized, then click on the finalize button. Once you click on the finalize button, here you get the purchase report, the sale reports, and once you close here. Okay, so now the it is successfully. I'm going to some sell on Hamza. So now click here, and 7-up is 10 7-up, and then add, and 5 Pepsis add here, and now click on the finalize button, but do not receive the payment. Once you click on the finalize, you get the report of the current the sale. So now go to the sale and make the payment. Okay, so here you can search your customer. So now click on the view and select your customer. If you are select the counter customers, means all it's no remaining balance. everything is paid. But if you click on the Hamza, so it means you don't make the payments. So here you see the remaining balance of this customers. I'm going to pay some amount, means 200, and now I'm going to pay. So once I am paid, the remaining payment is 325, and now click on this and get the receipt of the current payment on the selected payments. Okay, here you can see also the sales and also the sale orders. Okay, so go, so this is the return, the payment of customers. Now I am going to make some sale orders. So once I'm going to once you open the sale order, you get this form. So now click on this selected customer and view all the customer and select your customer Hamza, and now click here and make some order. Cool drinks, I'm going to add their order, and the order is the unit price is, for example, 38, means 3 rupees or 3 coins is delivery charges. So now add this. If you want to add more items in the cart, now select from here, enter the quantity and click on the add button. Okay, if you check this, then go to the delivery and invoice. So now enter the destination address, for example, Peshawar, Sadar. Also I'm enter here the FF 762 Deans Trade Center, Peshawar Sadar, KPK, Pakistan. And now enter the expected date and time, expected date, and here is the validate user is Ilyas. This date user, which is call you, means make an order. So once you enter the detail of this, if the status is active, means you are sending the product to customer, means sending for the deliver. But if you deactive, it means you have not sent the product at this time. Okay, so once you uncheck, so you're not sending at this time. But if you status is active, it means you have already product in your stock and you are send for the deliver to customer. So now uncheck the status and confirm the order. So once you confirm the orders, you check here, this is the order. So now go to the sale and get here the sale and sale order, view all sale and sale orders. So this is the current sale, the current sale on customers. This is the sell. Here you can search the selected product detail, means I am going to cool drink and then Pepsi, and then select date, means from date to date, sale detail of selected products. So once select the product, and here you see the, this is the sale detail of your products, the Pepsi. This is the sale detail of 7up between these 2 days. And now, and this option is for you want to show your sale from item to till date. So now you here, this is the detail of these sales. Now here you can get all the view all sale orders. This is the all sale and this is the sale orders. So the current order is this. Once you click on this order, you see this is the pending, not an okay. Once I am click on the okay, it means it means it's confirmed. So once you click on submit, means the product, this is confirmed. So if you have pending order, the pending order will be shown in this tab. Okay, so, and this is the from data to till data record of the orders. So now the order is successfully. So now I'm going to the stock. Here you see the 75 and 62. It means once you purchase the items, then and during purchasing the product will be added on the stock, and selling the product will be minus from your stock. So go to the sell order payments, and here see you can make a payment. This is the sale order and this is the sale. Okay, so once you select the this 525 and enter here the payment for example, I want to enter is the 600, and then now click on the, sorry, not on this, on paid amount. Once I'm click on paid amount, this is the 105 is the remaining, and the 800 is paid, and this. So here you see the current amount is 0, the total sale amount is 525, and total is 380, and the total amount is 905. So this is the, also you can get here the invoice. Select your sale order or sale and click on the print invoice. So this is the payment. But in case if you want to return some product from the sales, like you want to return some product from purchase, so you can also use the same way which is used in this supply. Select this, click on here and return the two item. If you the item is damaged, then click here, means it's not ready for sale. But if the item is not damaged, just customer want to return it, so then don't click on the this check button and just click on the return. The product will be returned. Okay, so here you see the remaining item is a 8. This is the, here you can see the customer balances, total amount this, paid this, total amount this, paid this, and remaining this. And here you see all the total remaining balance amounts on all customer is 29. You can export it to the Excel sheet. So now this is the sale. So now I'm going to see add some expenses. So now go to the expenses, go to here and add some expenses, means daily expenses. If you want to add the description to the expenses, simply just add here your expenses: daily, weekly expenses, monthly expenses, and other expenses, and so on. So now you add the categories, just select your category. I'm adding the daily expenses. Here I'm enter the and daily expenses are weekly expenses, and I'm here the shell mobile. Here we are purchase the fuel, and fuel have a quantity. So now I am here, a quantity is 45 liter, and per liter is 120, and now I am going to add the this. Okay, so now click on the finalize your expense. So the expenses is finalized. I'm going to add some monthly expenses. Utility bill, and the utility bill have no quantity, so now I'm here 5000, and I'm clicking to add. So this is the utility bill, and so here this is the pesco, means this is the source of the electricity. And now click on the finalize expenses. The expense will finalize. I'm going to add other expenses. Other expenses means some guest expenses, guest, and then no quantity, and now enter the 2000, and now add, and then finalize. Sorry, here you enter the you can get means this your guest, from guest enter the source name. Now finalize. So this is the expenses. So now go to here and get the expenses report, daily expenses report. Sorry, close this and go to here and get the custom expenses report, and then select the date and check. So here this is the total amount of your expense, means the expense date is 11/12/2020, and this is the tea, biscuit, fuel, and so on. This is all is the your expenses report. Okay, so now, okay, so this is the expense. So here you can manage your expenses. Okay, these are the reports, means your product catalog, all customers report, selected customer reports. Now here and select the customer, I'm going to select Hamza. Once I am search, select this, you get here the Hamza report. Now daily sale reports, here the customer sale reports. Select from date and to date and click on generate report. Here the daily supply report, the custom supply report. Here is the low stock product report. Here is the daily expenses report. This is the custom expenses report. And here this is the category wise sale report. Means the cold drink is sell, Pepsi, 7 Up means 2 times it sells. And this is the category wise sale report. And this is, and the second, the last one is the area wise sale reports. Means Peshawar, no area, means this is the counter customer is the Peshawar. On Peshawar area we sell the 7 Up and Pepsi, 5 quantity of Pepsi and 10 quantity of 7 Up, and the total amount is this is the 525, this is the 175 of this area, and the Peshawar area is 525, the total is 700. So this is okay. Now the option is setting. Now click on the this, and here you set the threshold quantity. Here you can, this is the customer inform. Here you set your email address. Once you are setting the means sell orders, you get the sell orders, and now you check it, the status is active, and click on the send to customer. So then your system will send email, is the sell order detail on the email of the customer. If you click on the nones, then not sending the email. So here you can set your email, enter your emails, means john@gmail.com, then enter is the smtp.gmail.com. Here re-enter your email and enter your the correct password of your Gmail. If you are using the Gmail server, then use this link and remove the secureness of your email, then your email will be sent. So read this paragraph be carefully. If you have already email, then click on edit select email, so that the email will be shown here. Here is the business profile. If you want to add a new business, so also you can add, you will simply add here the new business. So I'm closing here this, and this is the help. Here once you click on the view help, so you get here the full detail of these applications, means how to create new sales step by step, how to sell payment, supplier and supply, stock, expenses, setting, and so on. So this is the full help contents, full guide of this software. And here this is the new cell, means this is the toolbar, new cells, cell return, view cell. These are the same, but these are the shortcuts of these menu items. And this is the report shortcut. Here you get the area wise report, this report, this and so on. And was all the form you can get also from here. If you want to click here, you select your form also from here. And if you want to change your account details, click here, and account setting. Now enter here your pin code. The pin code is 1234, and then verify. So now you, if you want to change your name, then just click enter your your name, real name, and here is the username, password if you want to change, and you want to change your pin code, so it's simply you can change from here. Okay, so this is the user profile updations form. So this is the full complete store management system. If anyone want to purchase this, just contact me on my WhatsApp number.